Crypto Bros, in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how to use MEXC Launchpad and how to join the IEO, how to join their Launchpad, because this is an opportunity. If you take a look now, for example, different Launchpads like Polka Starter, the current price is 0.4 USD. At the all-time high was like $6. The same with the MEXC token right now, it's 0.9 right now. The all-time high was like 3.5 USD. In my opinion, this is a good time to get involved into Launchpads, because these Launchpads get you amazing opportunity to get involved and invest into these small projects at the very beginning. And in this video, like I told you, I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to enter MEXC Launchpad. Before we start this video, remember I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research. So the first thing that you have to take part in the MEXC Launchpad is to, of course, register on MEXC. So you can see first thing, register on MEXC. And right now, if you register using the link down in the description of this video, that gets you a possibility to deposit and trade to win 9,100 USD. There's only 12 more days. As you can see, it's X Crypto Costa. I am partnered with MEXC. If you use the link, you get a beautiful bonus. If you have already your account and if you want to use and get the bonus, you can create another account and you get the bonus as well. All right, the second step, let's say you get your account already on MEXC. The second step that you have to do is get some MEXC tokens. Why? Because you will need to have MEXC tokens to get into all these Launchpad projects. So if you want to do it, you need to deposit, for example, USDT into your MEXC account, go into trade, go into spot, and right here you type in MEXC. I'm right now in the MEXC token. You put amount and then you will have your MEXC tokens in your wallet. I already have them, so I'm not gonna buy. And right now, the next thing what you wanna do, if you already have your MEXC tokens, is basically get involved into the Launchpad. So right now I'm gonna get you step by step how to get into the Launchpad project. So first thing, you need to click here into earn, click Launchpad, and this gets you to the dashboard of MEXC Launchpad. The next thing, if you have already your MEXC tokens in your wallet, there will be snapshot period. So let's say there is a new project. Currently there isn't any project available to take part, but let's say there will be a project in a week or in a month. Nobody knows when the next project will be launched on the Launchpad, but let's say there is a new project. Then there is first a snapshot period. So your account will be recorded through hourly snapshots over 5 days. So basically you need to have MEXC tokens in your spot wallet for 5 days. If you have more tokens, you get a bigger reward from the new project. Right, the next period is subscription period. So basically after these 5 days, you need to go in again into MEXC Launchpad and click here commit now button, and then you commit MEXC towards the new project. Right, then after clicking this, you have distribution period. So stay tuned for the tokens distribution. Basically you don't have to do anything, you just stay tuned and then you will get your tokens in your wallet, and then the trading goes live. You can sell the tokens, you can hold them, up to you. When it comes to MEXC Launchpad, there is no vesting period. So you have all tokens unlocked from the very beginning of the trading period. You have all your tokens, you can sell them straight away. Of course, we are here to make profits. All right, let's be honest, you just want to get involved in a very early stage. Like you can see, low cost opportunity to get involved, to invest early in the project's tokens. So that gets you an opportunity. And this is it for the Launchpad, but this is not it for MEXC platform, because there is one more thing that I want to show you, which is futures. And this is something beautiful. This is something we can say quite similar to the Launchpad, because you get rewards from a new project for some activities that you do on a daily basis. So let's say if you are a trader and current event is trade futures and win free airdrop tokens up to 7 times weekly. So current event is this NEPT futures trading run. It means that if you trade during this time, during this trading period, which is 9th of October this year, and you have 24 hours to trade, if you trade, you get a ticket, and there is 600 winning tickets. Like you can see, there is 600 winning tickets, and each winning ticket includes 270 NEPT tokens. So let's say if you win, you get 270 NEPT tokens for free. The only thing you have to do is to trade on MEXC, and here's how they calculate each ticket. For example, the trading volume from 10,000 to 20,000 USD is one ticket, and the trading volume from 900k to 1 million volume is 100 tickets. But remember, this is trading volume, this is not the amount that you put. Right, so let's say if you trade 1k with 10x leverage, this is 10k volume. If you trade 1k with 100x leverage, that gets you 100k volume. volume, and that gets you basically 10 tickets. And if you win, let's say 2 tickets are winning from those 10, you get like what is it, 540 NEP tokens. So this is something that you could use. Anyways, if you are a trader, you're gonna trade, so why not use this? And the current round supply is 162 NEP tokens. Total supply is 60 billion NEP tokens. There is one more day to get involved in this. You can also do it. You basically need a MEXC account, deposit, trade, and that gets you a possibility to win. And the reward pool is 200,000 NEP tokens, like I told you. And basically all you have to do is just check if you won or no. This is that simple. And yes, you are going to be straight away able to sell these tokens. This is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. I hope you like the Launchpad. I hope you will get some good profits from the next project, and take care of your trades.